Come test drive the 2022 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, hill descent control, trailer brake controller, skid plates, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power outlet, Bose sound system, center console, compass. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck.